Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another meal prep, but before we get into it, please go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to my video. It really helps out with getting other people to reach my channel. Today we're going to be turning this grocery run into a full meal prep, which will include breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. It's going to be high protein, high fiber, balanced, and nutritious. So without further ado, let's get into it. First things first, I'm cleaning my fresh fruit. I used baking soda and vinegar to clean it. Look how beautiful that looks. And then next, I cleaned the strawberries as well. I just got this new salad spinner, and oh my gosh, I'm not being dramatic. I don't know what I was doing before this. Just look at the water after the first spin. After cleaning, just lay everything out on clean paper towels so that they can dry out. Next, I added my chicken marinade to the food processor. I added bell peppers, jalapeno, garlic, cilantro, 1 cup of yogurt, whole fat Greek yogurt, and my seasonings, which were onion powder, salt, pepper, and then cumin. I blended that up and then placed that onto my clean chicken thighs. I also made some skinless chicken thighs as well. So I split this marinade into 2 different recipes that you'll see here. For the first one, I seasoned it with the Stubbs jalapeno rub, and the second one, I did like a fresh herb seasoning. If you've got some extra time, let it marinate overnight, but if not, let it marinate for at least an hour. And now for the parfaits. This was quick and easy. You want to add some frozen berries into a pan on low heat, and then add some chia seeds for fiber, a little bit of water and honey. Let that cook down for about 7 minutes or just until it's not so frozen, and then I blended it to make the consistency you'll see up here. Then I layered my yogurt parfaits. First, I put some of that mixed berry, then I put yogurt in the middle, and then I put some more of the mixed berries, then some more yogurt, and coconut cluster granola at the top. Shout out to my little one, she came in for a taste. Now all my fruit was nice and dry, so I went in and I peeled my tangerines, and then I diced up my strawberries as well, just so they fit better into the containers, the meal prep containers. And then I packaged everything into there and then straight into the fridge and ready to go. Now my favorite part this week were these roasted veggies. I started by dicing up my sweet potatoes since they take longer to cook. I added olive oil, salt, and pepper, just keep it simple, and then into the oven at 425 for about 20 minutes. While that was going, I chopped up all my other veggies, kept them about the same size to keep everything even. To my veggies, I added olive oil, salt and pepper, and balsamic vinegar, mixed that up and added it into the oven with the sweet potatoes after the 20 minutes. But now after adding the other veggies, we roast those for an additional 15 minutes. At that same time, I had my rice going in the rice cooker, and before I knew it, everything was done and so beautiful. Up next, I did my eggs and bacon, which will be the breakfast this week. Scramble the eggs to your liking, and then for the bacon, I used turkey bacon. Lay them flat on a baking sheet and then into the oven at 425 for about 12 to 15 minutes. Just keep an eye on it, but it's easy and easy cleanup, no stress. You feel me? Now for the chicken, I took it out of the marinade and straight into the oven. The bone-in thighs took about an hour at 425 degrees, and then the skinless ones were done in about 30 minutes. And listen, this cilantro lime chicken, I promise it's been on repeat. This is one of my favorite recipes. Try it out and let me know what you think. Next up is the ground beef. I used my homemade taco seasoning. So it's the regular taco seasoning ingredient plus beef bouillon. I do this just to balance out the sodium and increase the flavor to my liking. I added a little bit of water once it was browned and then let everything come together, and that was done. Now I'm putting together my snack packs. It's the same ingredients for both, just one has crackers and one does not. Options, baby, we love options. And of course, I made a quick pico de gallo consisting of tomato, onion, jalapeno, and cilantro. I instantly regretted putting that cilantro in there. Don't be like me. Just chop it up. Alright, now it's time to bring everything together. Starting with breakfast, I'm assembling my breakfast bowls with scrambled eggs, turkey bacon, a little cheese, fresh pico, and a touch of sour cream. It's high protein, it's filling, and it actually tastes like something that's not diet food. Then I've got my yogurt parfaits that I already made and the fruit bowls on the side. So snacks and things like that are sorted out, depends on what I'm in the mood for. Moving on to lunch and dinner. This is where everything comes together because I've got my cilantro lime chicken, the ground turkey, the roasted veggies, and the rice. I'm building out balanced plates, proteins, carbs, fiber, all the good stuff. Some meals are lower in carb, some are more balanced, but there's different options so that I don't get bored throughout the week. Everything is so delicious, it makes sense, and it's already done. So I just need to grab, warm, and go, you know? This is how I stay consistent without overthinking it or trying to overcomplicate it. The food is delicious. It's already prepared, so I have no excuses but to show up and show out. If you've made it this far, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let me know which meal you're grabbing first. Alright, I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!